Have you ever been constipated, felt bloated, had excess gas, felt like something just wasn't right? Many people don't realize that some of the physical ailments they feel on a daily basis are as a result of a body that is loaded with toxins in desperate need of detox. So, what is detox diet exactly? Detoxifying programs are tools that many people use when trying to get a fresh start physically, mentally, or spiritually. Detoxifying in their purest meaning can be intense and risky. However, there are variations and considerations for detoxifying that can help make it beneficial and effective for all. Detoxifying affects everyone differently. If you are in a poor health condition, please do not try the detox diet. Benefits and risks will vary from person to person. Some of the benefits are purification, spiritual awareness, weight loss, clear skin, rest for digestive organs, improved senses, reduction of allergies, drug detoxification, and better sleep. Some of the risks are depletion of resistance to disease, headache, fatigue, irritability, dizziness, nutrient deficiency, loss of energy, and hunger. What to eat and what to avoid. Not only should you eat plenty of organic, raw fruits and vegetables, you should also drink lots and lots of water. There are some other whole foods you'll want to work into your eating while detoxing. Consider garlic, wheatgrass, hemp protein and hemp seeds, flax seeds, legumes, nuts, extra virgin olive oil, and herbal and green teas. Avoid dairy, meat, processed foods, grains, sugar, alcohol, and caffeine during your detox. And the most important way to detox the body is to make sure you have enough quality sleep. Sleep is connected to weight loss, stress levels, and overall health. Make a point to decompress from technology, take a relaxing shower, and give yourself enough time to a good night's rest. So guys, if you found this video useful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and let me know in the comments down below. And follow me on all my social media handles, the Fit Diva.